And are you Miss Alvarez?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And it's the court's understanding a PSI was not done in this case, correct?
Correct.
All right. Any witnesses from the state?
Hold up, no PSI report. Hey, that's like showing up to sentencing without the backstory. Judges usually want the full psychological, criminal, and personal profile before making a call. This is already starting off unconventional.
Or defense, any witnesses?
Yes, Your Honor. Christina Villarreal, who is her girlfriend.
Right, defense?
Yes, Christina. Can you please tell me your relationship to Rebecca?
She's my girlfriend.
And how long have you known her?
About 4 or 5 years.
Okay. And if this judge sees fit to put her on deferred adjudication and probation, will you help her get to any appointment she has to get to?
Yes, I will. I have a car, so there's no need to reason why she can't be able to get anywhere or do anything that she requests.
And are you aware she's had a heroin problem?
Yes, I'm aware.
Do you have a drug problem?
No, I don't have a drug problem. Never been to jail.
Okay. And would you tolerate her using drugs in your house or in your premises?
No.
Okay. And do you think she may be a good
She's vouching for her girlfriend, but just found out she has a heroin problem. Would you commit to helping someone kick addiction when you barely knew they were using?
candidate for probation?
Yeah, she's a good person. She has a good heart. She can work. She should be good for it.
Okay. Is there anything else you want this judge to know that might help her make a decision on this matter?
Just we can grant her the probation that she'll comply with everything that you do. Like I said, there's no reason why she shouldn't be able to have a car, have everything she needs. I got it.
That's it.
Any questions?
Yeah, where did you meet this office?
She's an old friend of mine.
Where did you?
Just around the way. We know similar people.
Like 4 years ago, 5 years ago?
About 5.
Did y'all meet in a store? Did y'all meet?
Yeah, prior I used to work at 7-Eleven, so came into my store.
Have you ever been to prison?
No, I haven't. I've never been to jail either.
She's been to prison.
Yes,
right?
I do.
She's convicted of robbery.
It's okay. That has nothing to do. Her past has nothing to do with me. It's the present.
My question was that you're aware of that. Is that
I'm
correct?
aware.
And when did you meet her? What year?
I'm not quite sure. It's about 4 or 5 years ago. If you want to come back then,
2020 or 2019?
if you want to believe so, yeah. I mean, I don't remember. It's been a while.
Okay, well, you said 4 to 5 years.
4 to 5.
It's 2004 to 24.
Yeah.
Minus 4 years is 2020.
I mean, if you want to say so. But like I said, I know 4 or 5 years. I mean, going back doesn't really mean anything.
Only one person can talk at a time for the court order. Okay?
Sorry.
All right, so what I'm going to ask you,
Yikes. She's trying to downplay her girlfriend's prison time, but this isn't a parking ticket. We're talking prior incarceration. Serious stuff. Now she's hoping the judge just looks forward, not back.
to do is I want you to listen to the questions that are being asked of you
Mm-hmm.
and answer the questions. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. State, you may continue.
Thank you. I'm just asking you these questions so we get a full rounded picture of
Mhm.
your relationship with her, because you're saying that you're going to be there for her and
Yes.
help her. Is that correct?
Yes, it's correct.
And when she picked up these cases for possession of drugs, you were dating her.
Yes, I was thorough.
And then in February of this year, 2024, you're also dating her of the robbery. Is that correct?
Yes.
No further question, John.
I'm finished with this witness, Sean.
All right. I have a few questions if there are no objections. All right. So I'm trying to figure out how long have you been in a relationship with her?
Like just recently, like about 2 or 3 months.
All right. Do you have children?
No, I don't.
Does she have children?
No, she doesn't.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much for coming down.
Thank you. Christina, please. My next witness is my client, Your Honor.
All right, if you come forward. Can you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you're going to have to keep your voice up so that I can hear and so that the court reporter can hear. You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Rebecca Jean Alvarez.
All right, defend.
Here we go. The defendant is finally on the stand. This is where things can turn emotional, raw, even redemptive. Watch how she addresses her past and whether the judge buys it.
Rebecca, please understand only one person can talk with the court reporter. And so it's a little bit awkward as far as the normal conversation, but please remember that. Can you please tell the judge about what your drug problem has been?
Been addicted to heroin. I've been struggling with this addiction for the last 3.5 years.
And since you have been locked up, how long have you been locked up?
Since February 2nd.
And have you had access to heroin in the jail?
No, sir.
And are you clean now?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any more desire to use heroin?
No, sir.
Now, if this judge did put you on deferred probation, would you abide by all the terms, including any type of drug treatment that may be recommended?
Yes, sir.
Do you think you need drug treatment?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you get out, do you have a place to stay?
Yes, sir.
Where?
My sisters or at Christina's.
Can you speak up so she can hear you?
My sister Ruby's or Christina's.
And would you be able to get a job again?
Yes, sir. With my past, well, my former, well, I used to work at Blue Star Brewing, and he's willing to give me another shot.
Blue Star Brewing?
Yes, sir.
And what do they do there?
It's a brewery. I was a dishwasher there.
You don't have access to any drinking there, do you?
No, I don't drink.
And are you asking this judge to give you deferred probation?
Yes, sir, I am.
And you're going to abide by the terms and conditions of their?
Yes, sir.
And this is a first-degree felony, even with the waiver of the repeater. So do you understand the range of punishment if you were to get revoked?
Yes, sir.
And what is the lower range?
5,
And what's the upper range?
18.
No.
Oh,
If you get revoked, the upper range on a first-degree felony is
99, right?
correct. You don't want to come back here, do you?
No, sir.
They pass the witness?
State?
Yes. On the day, February 2nd, 2024, what were you and your friend doing?
We went to JCPenney's and I was trying to make ends for my drug habit.
Okay, confession time. She admits to stealing, and not just that, admits it was to feed her drug habit. It adds weight to the addiction defense, but also confirms criminal intent. Double-edged sword.
Okay, so you were stealing from there? The knife was pulled on the employees there?
Yes, sir.
Y'all were stopped under a bridge by
Yes,
the
sir.
officers?
Yes, sir.
And you were convicted of robbery and spent 8 years in TDC, is that correct?
From my past, yes.
Thank you. No further questions, John.
Just wanted to follow up on that. At that store, did you personally take anything out?
No, sir.
What did you do with the merchandise when you?
I emptied my backpack and threw the items inside the store. I never left the store with it.
Okay, but you were with someone who did leave the store with it,
Yes,
correct?
sir.
All right, which is probably why you're here today.
Yes, sir.
Now, as far as in the store, was any knife pulled in the store?
No, sir.
What was the purpose of the knife being pulled outside of the store?
He was pushing on her. And he's a male. I mean, she's a female. He didn't identify himself. He didn't say he was loss prevention. I mean, after he said he was going to tackle her, I felt the need to step in and I pulled out a pocket knife.
Did you cut anybody?
No, sir.
Okay, that's what it's.
He didn't identify himself,
No, he didn't.
so he just ran up to you
Yes.
and grabbed you
He put his hands on her.
on her,
Yes.
and so you pulled out a knife.
Not till after he threatened to tackle her and we were already out the store. And I already had opened my backpack and gave him the items. Like, I never left the store with any items.
And you did, but your friend did, that you pulled the knife out for the protector, right?
Yes, sir.
So you knew who the person was coming to stop you.
That didn't happen until after he didn't identify himself. He went to go push on her.
Did you or did you not know who the person came to stop y'all from stealing?
Once I put the knife out, I guess, yes.
Okay, no further questions.
I don't have any more questions, Your Honor, but if you do, have no objections. You were asking for deferred,
Oh, just one moment.
sorry.
All right, manipulations. And it states Rebecca observed Damien following her. So she told him she was not stealing anything. Rebecca removed items from her backpack and walked out the exit door. So the person who was following you all was Damien. And in the